Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So, welcome in our basic maths class. I hope you are liking this video. We have come up forward in this class and we are in our day 7 of our class. Fine? So I hope you have watched all my videos till day 6. All are very informative. We have learned lots and lots of basic things regarding maths. Now we have come forward to little advanced topics. Like from our start we did with addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then we moved on to different topics like ratio and proportion, decimals and other various topics. So now today we will see regarding average data handling uh, uh, data handling which means we will study regarding average, which is also known as mean, right, mode, range and also median. So we will cover these four topics today. Fine. So these are very important topics which you will need in which you will require till class 10 or even in your competitive exam. So these topics are very important and needs to be discussed if we are discussing basic maths. So but before starting that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't started watching my this basic maths course, then please go and check the playlist and then don't forget to miss any of the classes, because every classes have every minor details of maths which can help. These are not for all the people who know maths very properly, but these are for those who have who are scared of maths and are feeling like maths is very tough. Then we have started it since basics. So from basics if you will start, then you will get to know that maths is not that difficult which you are feeling. That is very easy. So this is the reason that this course have been built. So now let's start without any delay. But yes, again I am telling you, if you haven't started, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't started this course, then please go and start from day 1. So now let's start with basic math. Let's start with today. Start with average, or we are told take out the mean of the value. Mean of the observation. So mean or average or mean is equals to sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Fine. Sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. For an example, you are given that A studies for, or let me keep one name, Ashish. Ashish studies 5 hours, 6 hours and 7 hours consecutively for 3 days. Fine. So find out the average or mean of how much hours he studies in a day. So how we will do it? We will add all this 5, that is sum of all observation. These are 3 observation. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 divide by total number of observation 1, 2, 3. So when we will divide it, we will get 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 divided by 3. See, so 6, 3, 6 is 18. So that is for 6 hours on an average, Ashish studies 6 hours on an average in a day. So this is what is the implication of average. Fine. Mean equals to, or we have an example that a batsman scores 36, 35, 32, 31, 30 and 33. Fine. In 6 innings. Fine. ININGS innings. Fine. So what is an average per inning? So how we will take out? Again, you will add this up. 36 plus 35 plus 32 plus 31 plus 30 plus 33. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide by 6. So 3 1 is 3, 6, 9, 3 12, 15, 16, 18, 180, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 197 divide by 6. 197 divided by 6. 3 1 is 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 18 and 6, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 19197 divide by 6. 167. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 4 7, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 7s are 42, 5.0, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 48, 6 7s are, oh sorry 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, so 2. So on an average that is 27.8 runs per innings. Fine. So I hope you got your main concept that these are the areas where we use mean. Fine. Again, let me sum up that average or mean is equal to sum of all observation. You are given different observation. Divide by total number of it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 observations. So total number of 6 is 6. So you will add the sum of all and divide it by total number of this. So you will get your answer. So this is what? This is how we take out the average. Now we will move on to next topic, that is range. So I have completed average. Now we will move on to range. So range is difference of highest and lowest observation. Fine. Difference of highest and lowest observation. For an example, you are told that age of teachers in a class, age of teachers in a school are given as 32, 21, 35, 42, 51, 20, sorry, 20 not, this is 20, okay fine, but 21 is quite not feasible for a teacher. 35 and 48. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 47. Fine. These are the ages of teachers, number of teachers working in a school. Now you are told that find out the range. Range of an age. Range of age of a teacher. So here what you will do? You will Find out the range. First, what you will do, to take out the range, first what we need to do, we need to organize it in a ascending order. Ascending order means first we will take the smallest 31, then comes 32, then comes 35. 35 is given twice, so we will write twice 35. Then comes 42, then comes 47, then comes 48, then comes 51. So this is the first process to know. This is the first process for range. Now, firstly, range equals to difference of 2. It means highest is 51. This is highest and this is lowest. This is the main purpose of main purpose to arrange this in ascending orders. So I told you range is difference of highest and lowest. So highest is 51, lowest is 21. So 20 is our range. Fine. 20 is our range. Range of the age of the teachers is 20. Now there are various questions based on this type of questions. That is, what is the youngest? Who is the youngest, or what is the age of the youngest teacher? You can tell that this is 31. What is the age of the oldest teacher? Then you can tell that is 51. So fine. So this is how we get to know the value of range. Range is difference of highest and lowest observation. So now, and again if you are told in this question that take out the mean of age of teachers, now I hope you can take it out, right? So what you will do, you will add all these numbers, that is 31 plus 32 plus 35 plus 35 plus 42 plus 47 plus 48 plus 51, divide by, you will count what is the total number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So divide by 8. So I don't think we need to take out, it might come in point. So this is how we do the this type of questions. Fine. So I hope range is totally okay. Okay. Now let me rub. I forgot to tell you one more question in average or mean. That is, there are various questions where you are told that find out the average or mean of first 5 whole number or first 5 prime number or first 5 natural number, fine, or first 5 even number, odd number. So these are some types of question, but the main concept is you will find for whole number, as I told you in our basic day first or second class, that whole number starts from 0. So you will do till 4. 0 1 2 3 4. So 0 till 4 divide by 5, because there are for the whole number starts from 0. So you will add from starting 0 till 4. For prime number you will add 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So you will add this up, divide by 5. For natural number 1 till 5. For even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. So this is how we do this type of question. Fine. I hope that you have a clear concept now. You should not have any confusion regarding any type of average or mean questions. The main formula is to sum of all the observations given divide by total number of observations. So now moving forward to mode. Mode is again very easy and one of the easiest. Mode is set of observations that occur most often. Set of observation that occurs the most. It means that for example, this is the number of students. No, again let me take the age. There are this is the age of 10 or 5 of fine 10 students of a class, that is 15, 12, 13, 15, 15, 11, 10, 19, no, not 19, 14, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, these are the number of students who have started a dancing class, who are present in a dance class in group A. For example, group A, who have taken part in group A dancing class. Fine, group A, sorry, dancing course. Fine. So this can be anything, any number, any course, anything given in the question. So our main criteria is this, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the number of students with age 10, 12, from 10 to 15. Now first our main concept is to arrange this in ascending order. So let's take 10, 10, then again number is 11, then that is 12, then that is 13, then that is 14, then 15 once, 15 twice, 15 thrice, 15 fours. So there are 4 students who are present in, there are 4 students, maximum number of students are of age 15. 4 students are of age 15. So this is our mode. So 15 is our mode. Fine. As we know that set of observation that occurs the most. So which observation occurred the most? 15 is the observation that occurred the most. So this is how we take out the mode. And if you are told that take out the range from this, then you can easily tell that range is between 10 to 15 and difference is 15 minus 10 is 5. So our range is 5. And if you are told the set, then that is between 10 to 15. Fine. So this is what we are told about mode. This is the mode. See, it can be more than one, then that can be the mode. If 15 was not there and only this number would have been there, then 10 would have been the mode. Fine. Now, moving forward to median. I hope that you have understood this topic also. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please go and subscribe my channel. I will come up with other concepts of maths too, and in fact I have also started different chapters of different subjects like English, science. Very soon I will be coming up with concepts regarding English, regarding maths, regarding GK, regarding science. But that will take time. So for that you need to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my channel. Now we will study regarding median. Median is those values which lies in the middle, of the observation. And middle means exactly the middle. Half of the half of the observation above it and half of the observation below it. So this would be the, if this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the median. Fine. The number lying in this position is the median. So let us start. For example, you are told to take out the median 32, 32, 32, 31 and 35, 42, 38, fine, 30, 41. So these are the numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 42. Suppose this is the number, then again you need to first arrange this in ascending order. So 30, 31, 32, 35, 38, 41, 42 and 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our, sorry, 9 and this is 44. 44. For example, we have 9 numbers. See, there are two tricks for median. There are two tricks, not there are two formulas for median. For even number, let us take out this later on. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 38 is our median. See, 4 number below it and 4 number above it. So this is 38. Fine. This is 38. That is you will see and you will keep 38 as your median, because this is exactly at the center. 4 numbers are below it, 4 numbers are above it. But what will we do if there are only odd numbers? See, there we have 9. So we did divide by 2 and the middle one was our answer. The number in the middle was our answer. But here, if you have odd numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 8, if you will see 38. Fine. If you will see here, then we have 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 numbers here, 3 numbers here. We are left with 35 and 38. So for this, what will be the median? You will add this up and divide by 2. So 35 plus 38 is 73 divided by 2. So that will give you 3 and 3 6 are 12.5. So 36.5 will be your answer. Fine. In this case, median will be 36.5. Fine. And for this question, what will be the mode? For this question, mode will be 42, because 42 is only one number which occurred twice. 30, 31, 32, 35, 38, 41, but 42 occurred twice. So this is our mode for this question, and this is our median. Fine. This is our median. And again, if you need to take out the range, then range is 42 minus 30. That is 12. So this is our range. In single question, you can take out all the answers. Fine. I will give you one question where we will solve all these questions and we will wind this chapter up. Fine. For all this question, I will give you one. Shyam got 15, 17, 10, 19 and 20 in his sorry, and 10 and 10 in his studies. No, can't be possible that he can study for 15 and this much hours. So let me make a feasible question. Sham studies this much hours in a consecutive in a week respectively. It means that he studied 4 hours on Sunday, 5 hours on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is his study chart for for a week. Fine. So he studied this much hours in a week. That week, that week. So now you need to take out average, mean, mode, range and median. So let us start. First we will take out mean. So what will we do? We will sum all the observation 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. Divide by, there are 7 days in a week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. That will give us mean. We will get 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 23 plus 1 is 24 by 7. 7 3s are 21, so 3.30. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 2 are 21, 7 4s are 28. 3.4. On an average, he studied 3.4 hours in a day. So this is our per day. Hours per day. Fine. 24 divided by 7, 7, 7, 1 is 7, 7 is 21. So this is 4, so we'll point this up. Sorry, 3. This is 3, so 30. 7 4s are 28. So 2. So again this will continue. So we won't get any. So this is our approx average. Fine. Mean. Now we will take out mode. Fine. But what can we do? First we can rearrange this and we can take out mean, median, mode, because for every numbers we will require a arranged ascending order. So for that we will start with 1 ascending order. Ascending order. This is ascending. A S C. This is C. E N D I N G. Ascending order. Fine. So this is 1. Then we will give 2. We have 2. Then we have 3. Then we have 4 once. We have 4 once. We have 4 twice. And then we have 5 once and 5 twice. 5 once, 5 twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. So this is our arranged version. So now mode. Now we can take out the mode. See here, mode was total number, the number of set of observation which occur most. Here 4 and 5 occurred twice. Both occurred twice. So our mode will be 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Fine. Mode can be 2. If you have same number, so both will be your mode. This should also be known. Fine. So mode, our answer for mode is 4 and 5. Fine. Now we will take out range. Range is equals to what was our formula for range? Difference. So 5 minus 1. This is highest. This is lowest. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 is our range. It is between 5 to 1. This is not minus, okay? This is in between and this was minus. So range is between, what are the range of students, or what are the range of hours he studies is in between 1 till 5. It doesn't exist 6, so we will say range is in between 1 to 5. So this is our hours range. Fine. Answer of range is 4. Here answer of mode is 4 hours and 5 hours. Fine. So this is mode. Now median is, let us write it properly again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5. So here 3 and 3. So which number came in between? This 4. So 4 is our median. So see here, for mean we got 3.4. For mode we got answer as this 4 and 5 hours, and for range we got our answer as 4 hours, and for median also we got our answer as 4. So I hope that your concept has totally been cleared regarding average, mean, mode, range and median. This is one of the most required chapter and is present in class 10 also. So this concept is only taught in class 10 for class 10 subject, not for 10, for 7 8 students this is taught, but this is studied till 10 11. So this concept is very important to understand. Now I will give you, as in every class I teach you a very important question or one bonus tip. So for that, for bonus, let me see what can I teach you. So for this is not bonus, but this is also a part of mean median mode. That this is not bonus, but this is also part of mean median mode, that we need to sometime represent our question in tally form. Fine. If you have seen many questions, then we need to sometime the questions are to represent these numbers in tally format. So for that we need to know that how we need to represent it. Fine. So you will make a box 1, 2 and 3. So this is our box for tally, that is not tally representation. For that you will first write age. This is age, who took part in any race or anything like that. This is tally, how you represent it in tally, and this is general number. Fine. So age is, first we will see 12. Once, twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. This is how we represent in our general form. But in tally, how you represent it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will cut this up. This is 5 and this is 6. Fine. For 13, we will see once, twice, thrice. So 13 is thrice. So 1, 2, 3. Fine. This type of classes I don't think anyone will teach you. I have taken out all the important topics of maths and I have made a course so that you can understand every minor details and basics of maths. So for 14 we will see once, twice, thrice, only thrice. So 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 15. 15 is only once. So 1. See, again let me tell you, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. But how we will write 5 in tally? This is 5. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, again 10. So this is how we represent in tally format. This is generally used to take out the mode generally. So this is our mode. In this topic, which is our mode? 12 is our mode because it came for 6 times. But this is not used generally. This is used when told that represent it in tally graph or tally bar. Right, tally bar. Represent it in tally bar form. Tally bar table. So you add this time. This is our tally bar. Fine. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then please share this video, like this video, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And as I told you in other classes, our Vedic math course is also I have also started basic Vedic math classes parallelly with this basic math. So we have reached 12 towards fifth or sixth classes of Vedic math. So that is very interesting and very important. So apart from this class, you should also follow my Vedic maths course, which is in Hindi. Uh, that will help you to strengthen your basics of maths. So bye bye, take care and stay tuned to my channel.